Hi, my name is Clint Cappiello. I'm a pediatric surgeon here at the Johns Hopkins Children's Center. I just had an opportunity to present at the AAP's Section on Surgery Education Committee Educator's Workshop for Pediatric Surgical Faculty. This is a session that's built up around the principle that we as faculty and surgical educators need to be effective in how we educate our learners. My particular session was on providing effective education for learners of all levels. This is relevant as I am an Associate Cursus Director for the School of Medicine, a resident educator for the Children's Center, and an educator of our faculty. I think as we all look back on our training at the days of see one, do one, teach one, we know that isn't an acceptable way to train anymore. This session was relevant for faculty around the country to come visit with us and learn how we do it here at Johns Hopkins. I hope you have a chance to check out the session and see how we're doing with our education here for our trainees of all levels. Thank you.